Welcome to the Stat Tree Help video module for new environments. In general, good practice involves keeping your Python environment up to date by updating Python, the Spyder IDE, and installed packages. However, with these updates comes the possibility that your previously functional scripts no longer run due to incompatibilities with dependencies. Fortunately, you can prevent this possibility by creating reproducible environments for your Python projects. These projects can then be shared. The first step involves creating a new Python environment through Anaconda Navigator. In Navigator, press on the Environments tab. Next, press on the Create icon. When the Create New Environment dialog box appears, type in a project name. Be sure to select Python and choose the version if not using the most recent version listed. Press the Create button. You will see Creating Environment with the new project directory listed in the bottom right. This process can take some time. During the creation process, Anaconda will duplicate some packages in the new project environment. This is also displayed in the bottom right. Once this process is complete, press the Home button. You may notice that Spyder is not installed in the Applications list in the new project environment. Press the Install button. You will see Installing Application Spyder with the new project directory listed in the bottom right. This process also takes some time. Once this process is complete, Spyder launches. To check the environment, in the console type pip -v and hit Enter. In this case, the startup environment is the default Spyder environment. A note informs that the kernel may need to be restarted. Please see the Stat Tree Help video for a demonstration on how to restart the kernel in Python. However, you will also notice in the bottom tray the current environment listed as Conda Spyder environment. To switch to the new project environment, go to Python in the top menu and choose Preferences or Settings in Windows. When the Preferences window appears, click on the Python Interpreter tab. Select the Use the following Python interpreter option and select your new project directory from the drop-down menu. Press OK. In the bottom tray, you will notice the current environment listed as Conda My Projects, or whatever you choose as your project name. Type pip -v in the console and hit Enter to check your current environment. If your current environment is the default, you will need to restart the kernel. After restarting the kernel, check your current environment again. Your new project directory should appear in both the console window and in the bottom tray in Spyder. You are now ready to install needed packages in your new project environment. Please see the Stat Tree Help video for a demonstration on how to install packages in Python.